I just had to make some changes. I'm almost done. We're making progress.
And so begins the quest to redesign my studio. A fresh coat of white paint to clean things up, a few interior design options that definitely took a lot of work, I put a lot of thought into, but in the end, I was happy with. We'll get back to that. In the past month, I spent a lot of time with family. My lovely wife, Catherine, always encouraging me and reminding me what is most important, like these two buggers. Just enjoying life. And watching them, you can't help but experience happiness, freedom, America. Family is by far the greatest thing.
Wesley.
That's wow.
In between the moments of family fun, I took care of a few things, including building a custom table, and you can guess what color I painted it. I sent the MIDI controller off to Ario, who was the winner of the giveaway. He's super stoked about it. I also sold my SC1000, the digital scratch instrument. So I could buy this, the Launchpad X. Good God, that's amazing, stay tuned. And as mentioned previously, a few design elements were integrated into my studio. And yes, this one is orange. Yes, this is my new studio. Refreshed studio with style and pizzazz and more orange. Check this out. Now I'm using my DSLR camera and my computer screen is right here, so I can see you, I can see the music that I'm making, so when I'm cooking it up, you know, some awesome beats or a tutorial, which I plan to do, this will be the setup for that. It looks pretty awesome, doesn't it? You got the logo, you got the mountains, you got the guitars. Yes. I'm still figuring out a few other camera angles, but this is nice because I can make music without looking at the computer. That's really why I wanted something dedicated to being here. So this table, not only does it have a wonderful hue and warmth to it, it's very functional, sturdy, and awesome. Umonic approved. It just feels great. I love
it. Right here. This is nice. I can just chill, maybe talk about a few things. Grab the banjo, sing a song or two. Okay, so where do we go from here? Let me tell you, BandLab. I will be doing a full series of tutorials on making music with BandLab, both the mobile app and the desktop, laptop version. I think it's amazing how anybody with basically a computer or a smartphone and an internet connection can start making music for free. So I want to be a part of it and add value to people and help them out. I think BandLab is awesome. It'll be great for my channel, and I'm excited because I had a top secret meeting with BandLab, and I think that's all I can say about it right now. Next, live performances. Right here, using this, the incredible and game-changing Launchpad X by Novation. I also have this bucket tub of things to include a loop pedal, an effects pedal, and a thing I can trigger samples with. So I just really want to be more musical and more creative and have more fun. Externalizing my ideas helps me, okay? It's also very exciting. Moving on. A floating acoustic panel. Yes, the orange chair. I boarded up that window, painted it white, and then painted my logo orange to match the aesthetic. 3 places to hang my guitars and banjo. My handmade and hand-painted table, it's orange. A coat of white paint for the acoustic pegboard. And a sleepy little cat named Marley. you're still here, that's fantastic. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to do that right now. Like and drop a comment. Tell me what your thoughts are, what you're excited about. If you're into BandLab, stay tuned. The tutorials are going to be super helpful and awesome. And one last thing, check out my new single. It's on all the streaming platforms. Go follow me on Spotify. Peace.
Stop like yo, this boy's gifted. Hustle on the beat like the heat got lifted.